Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you. So watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also don't forget to like and share this video as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Wooden stick crafts have gained popularity not only among crafters and DIY enthusiasts but also among those looking to add a touch of natural beauty to their home decor. The versatility of wooden sticks opens up a world of creative possibilities, allowing individuals to produce a variety of decorative items, functional pieces, and unique accents that reflect personal style. Whether sourced from branches found in the backyard, purchased from craft stores, or obtained from retailers specializing in natural materials, wooden sticks can be transformed into stunning decor elements that enhance any interior space. One of the simplest and most charming wooden stick crafts is crafting rustic picture frames. Using thin wooden sticks, crafters can construct frames that add a natural, earthy feel to their photographs. Sticks can be arranged in various patterns, horizontally, vertically, or crisscrossed, to create a visually captivating frame. By staining or painting the sticks, individuals can customize the colors to fit their home's decor. This project serves both as a means to display cherished memories and as a creative outlet to showcase craftsmanship. Another wonderful wooden stick craft is the creation of wall art. This idea allows for a beautiful integration of natural elements into home decor. By arranging sticks into geometric patterns, shapes, or even abstract designs, individuals can create one-of-a-kind artwork that captures attention and adds dimension to the walls. Consider using different lengths, thicknesses, and types of wood to create contrast and visual interest. After constructing the design, wood can be stained or left in its natural state to enhance its rustic allure. Adding a splash of color through paint or embellishments can further customize the piece and connect it to the rest of the decor. For those looking to incorporate wooden stick crafts into functional home decor, towel racks or coat hangers are great options. Using sturdy wooden sticks, crafting a functional wall-mounted hook can help organize items in entryways or bathrooms. By arranging sticks vertically or horizontally, a unique peg system can be created that merges aesthetics with practicality. Staining the wood to match existing decor will create a cohesive look, while different stick configurations can cater to individual needs, making the design both functional and visually appealing. Creating decorative trays or organizers is another exciting project that enhances home decor while providing utility. Using wooden sticks, individuals can construct trays to hold candles, craft supplies, or other decorative items. These trays can vary in size and style. A minimalist rectangular shape can suit modern decor, while a more intricate circular design might appeal to rustic or bohemian tastes. By adding handles or embellishments such as twine, individuals can customize the trays to match their unique style. Another functional wooden stick craft involves making plant stands or holders. Wooden sticks can be used to create a simple yet stylish way to display potted plants. By forming a small structure or a tiered stand, one can showcase various plants and bring a lively touch to the space. Using sturdy and durable sticks will ensure that the plants are well supported, while decorative elements can be added to harmonize with the rest of the room. This project not only brings greenery into the home but also introduces a handcrafted element that speaks to personal flair. Crafting wooden stick lanterns or candle holders is another captivating approach to home decor. By arranging sticks into geometric or freeform structures, individuals can create unique holders for candles or battery-operated lights. These lanterns can cast beautiful shadows and offer gentle illumination, making them perfect for cozy settings. Decorative finishes such as paint or wood stain add personalization to the lanterns, while the open design allows for flexible use of candles or fairy lights. Using wooden sticks as part of a wreath design offers another creative opportunity. Crafting a wreath from sticks allows individuals to bring a touch of nature indoors, making it suitable for various seasons. By combining sticks of different lengths and widths, a full and visually interesting arrangement can be achieved. Adding seasonal elements like dried flowers, leaves, or ornaments can enhance the overall design. Hang the completed wreath on a door or wall for an inviting touch. Wooden stick crafts can also enhance seasonal decor. By cutting sticks to varying lengths and arranging them in a triangular shape, one can form a simple yet charming tree shape. Decorating the tree with lights, ornaments, or even natural elements like pine cones creates a seasonal focal point that embodies, showcasing continuous creativity throughout the year. Another engaging project involves crafting a wooden stick mobile. This creative undertaking involves tying sticks together to form a mobile, which can be suspended in children's rooms or living areas. By attaching decorative elements, such as fabric, feathers, or lightweight decorations, to the sticks, you can create a whimsical piece that adds motion and interest to the space. The mobile can be customized based on theme. For instance, a nature-themed mobile might feature leaves and flowers, while a nautical-themed mobile could incorporate shells and ropes. As home organization becomes ever more important, crafting wooden stick organizers can help maintain a clutter-free environment. By assembling sticks into a box-like structure or creating a wall-mounted holder, individuals can provide storage solutions for various items like pens, letters, or craft supplies. These organizers not only add functionality but can also serve as decorative accents that enhance the overall look of a room. Painted finishes or stenciled designs can personalize the organizers, allowing them to fit seamlessly into the established decor. An inspiring way to work with wooden sticks is through crafting unique bookends. Wooden stick bookends can elevate the bookshelf by adding a touch of creativity while serving a practical function. By gluing sticks together in varying patterns or stacking them into interesting formations, individuals can design bookends that reflect their personal style. These can be painted, stained, or adorned with decorative elements to complement the room's color palette, contributing to an organized and visually pleasing display. Garden decor also benefits from the integration of wooden stick crafts. By assembling sticks into trellises or garden borders, individuals can add a charming natural element to outdoor spaces. Building a simple trellis provides support for climbing plants like beans or peas, while decorative stick borders can define garden beds or pathways. The natural aesthetic of wooden sticks fits beautifully within gardens, enhancing the overall landscape. Creating wooden stick furniture pieces, although more advanced, is another captivating venture for those seeking a challenge. Building simple stools, benches, or side tables using wooden sticks and appropriate supports can yield functional and unique furniture items. Such pieces can be customized to match the overall theme of a room or outdoor area, reflecting the personal touch of the creator. Incorporating upholstery or color into designs adds another layer of creativity and comfort, making them practical for daily use while maintaining an artful appearance. For those with children, engaging in wooden stick crafts can be an excellent way to encourage creativity and bonding. Projects like building wooden stick puppets or simple toys can serve as both entertainment and educational experiences. Children can express their creativity through designing characters, decorating sticks, or even engaging in storytelling, fostering imagination and connection in the process. Another engaging project for children involves creating their own art pieces using wooden sticks. By constructing mini sculptures, frames, or dioramas using sticks and mixed media, they can explore varying artistic styles. Providing them with paints, glue, and additional decorations can enhance their experience and result in masterpieces that can adorn the walls, turn into gifts, or offer charming decor for their rooms. Upcycling wooden sticks from other projects is an eco-friendly practice that aligns beautifully with the crafting ethos. Whether reusing remnants from larger woodworking projects, salvaged materials, or even sticks from nature, transforming these found items into beautiful decor encourages a sustainable lifestyle. Additionally, this practice minimizes waste and allows crafters to tap into their resources while expressing their artistic vision. A powerful aspect of wooden stick crafts lies in their ability to foster creativity and engagement within communities. Hosting workshops or classes focused on wooden stick crafts can allow individuals to connect, learn, and share ideas in a collaborative environment. Such gatherings not only nurture creativity but can also cultivate friendships, build networks, and create cherished memories through shared experiences. Marketplaces that feature handmade crafts, like Etsy or local craft fairs, provide a wonderful avenue for showcasing wooden stick creations. Selling items like picture frames, decor, or functional organizers allows crafters to share their passion while connecting with customers who appreciate handmade artistry. Presenting wooden stick crafts at local markets can lead to recognition, fostering local support for handmade goods and encouraging environmental consciousness through sustainable crafting. Attaining a balance between aesthetics and functionality often drives the design of wooden stick crafts. The natural appeal of wood combined with the tactile feel of the materials. As wooden sticks transform into beautiful home decor, they tell stories of creativity, sustainability, and personal connection that resonate throughout the living spaces they inhabit. Embracing these projects not only beautifies the home but also nurtures a sense of accomplishment and pride in crafting a unique and personal space. Thus, through wooden stick crafts, individuals can cultivate both beauty and functionality in their homes while celebrating artistic expression in their everyday lives. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content.